Isang donasyon sa Museum of Vancouver Biyernes mula sa Filipino community.
Today we are here to honor someone whose name until recently was almost lost to history, Benson Flores.
Ang painting ng isa sa pinakaunang Pilipino sa Canada ang binigay sa museo mula sa Benson Flores Committee.
Recognized as the first recorded Filipino settler in Canada, he arrived in what is now called British Columbia in 1861.
Ganito inilarawan ang painting ni Ted Elquitas na kinumisyon ang obra ni Benson Flores nung unang nadiskubre ang kanyang pangalan at ang kanyang unmarked grave sa Vancouver.
You know, you could see the wind swept face, the rugged image of this man who paved the way for us to settle in this unceded territories of Canada.
Hindi raw inasahan ni Elquitas na 12 ng kababayan ang dadalo sa museo para sa donasyon ng painting ngayong linggo.
This is an overwhelming response.
Binuo ang larawan ni Benson Flores ng artist na si Reva Diana.
But what stood out to me just as much as his image were the stories that surrounded him, the way his friends spoke about him.
Makakarelate daw ang mga migrante sa Canada sa kwento ng pinakaunang kababayan na nakarating sa BC.
It's about recognizing that the experience of immigration, of leaving one place and building another, is shaped both by isolation and connection. You arrive alone, and over time, you become part of something larger.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.